Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tawde from Gossipfunda. Our video today is about how to fix call failed on iPhone. There are a few troubleshooting steps with the help of which we can resolve this error. So let us look at them. The first solution is to dial a special number, that is star hash 31 hash. Doing this would remove your phone from any hidden incoming or outgoing services. After you dial the number, it would take a few seconds to load the screen, which would tell us about if the services for the phone are hidden or not. Now, the solution 2 is about airplane mode. So for this we need to go to the settings application, and then over there in the airplane toggle we need to turn it off for a few seconds and then again turn it back on. This would resolve the issue of call failures as it would restart the network. The next solution is to force restart. A force restart is helpful to reverse the network settings. For this, we need to click on the volume up and down button simultaneously with the power button, and this would put the phone in force restart. After this, we need to see the SIM card services or the mobile carrier services. For this, we need to go again to the settings application and then scroll down to mobile services and check that all the settings are proper and your mobile carrier service is working properly. The next solution is to reset your settings. For this, you need to go to the settings, then scroll down to general. After tapping on general, we need to scroll down to the very end and click on reset button. After clicking on the reset button, there appears a short menu where we need to click on reset the network settings. This would only reset the network setting and wouldn't hamper any of your personal data. The last step is to see for any software updates. Software updates would resolve the errors of software bugs and would make the call provider work properly all again. Thank you. Hope that the video has provided you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.